I'm going to very, very quickly test your pitching. Super quick, okay, to see what's happening. I'm going to be going around your range. I don't care whether you sing in true voice or falsetto.
Yeah.
Okay. Single notes. 1, 1, 1.
1.
Good. Root note of the chord. Same thing again. 1. 1. 1.
1. 1. Again. 1. 1.
Fifth note of the chord. 5. 5. 5. 5.
5. Oh, that's hard. 5.
That was the 8.
I've lost it now. I can't. 5.
5.
5. 5. 5. 5.
I'm going to do more testing with you pitching next week. It's not bad. 5.
It's scooping.
5. We're nearly sliding an octave to get some of those fifths. Your
really?
ones were better. 5. 5. Wasn't bad though, dude. It wasn't bad. I'm going to test your pitching in more depth next week.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Lesson 1. Lesson off.
All right.
Okay, so just for practicing the pitching stuff, is it just like hitting a key on the piano and
No,
trying to...
no. Do your octave with numbers. Your 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, and fifth with numbers, and your 1, 3, 1, 5. I'm going to give you 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1 next week as well too, which is really important for your pitching.
Okay.
Your octave with numbers is the most important thing though.
Yeah.
That's do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's the same. Once you can sing this, you can sing everything.
Yeah.
Your pitching's not bad because you've been doing that octave scale.
Yeah.
Keep on doing that, keep on doing the intervals. And I'm going to give you 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, because that's one of the most important intervals that you can do in singing, because you're using it heaps in your singing.
Oh yeah, awesome.
Peace.